Coolant thermostat, coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. If that's not a mouthful. What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on the Block back again, and we are working on the Escalade. That's right, the Escalade has got a check engine light. The DIC says engine hot, AC off. Hooked up my code reader and the engine temperature is normal. However, it tells me that the coolant temperature sensor is reading below coolant threshold limit. So that tells me that my coolant temperature sensor is probably bad. So it's time to swap it out. Our coolant temperature sensor is in the driver's side head right here, just in front of the exhaust manifold. And as you can see, that is the notorious exhaust manifold bolt head that is broken off right there. All you LS guys know about that. So we'll get to that in another video. Anyway, we're working on this guy right here. We can get this out, get our new one in. We went with a standard. When OE fails, trust the standard. So we're going to find out if that's the case. Alright, let's get to it. You heard enough of me japping. So the size of the sensor nut is a 3/4. So we got the 3/4 inch wrench here. Just show you, that's the size of it. Turn it counterclockwise, back it out. I'm assuming we're going to have some coolant that's going to come out of the engine. So prepare accordingly to make sure you can catch your coolant. Also has an electrical connector in the front of it, and it's a little simple push the tab down and pull back the plastic connector. So put the 3/4 inch socket on here. I want to remove the spark plug coil wire, just give myself a little bit more clearance down there. You probably don't have to do that. Just want to make sure I've got this properly started. Starting it by hand. Turning clockwise. We're going to tighten it up just a little bit with the ratchet. Don't want to over tighten it because you don't want to break it off in the head. These heads are aluminum, so proceed with caution. You got it turned back in. Got it plugged back in. Gonna put our coil wire back on. Alright. Yeah, I need to replace the heat shield also. Look at that. Yep, definitely need to replace that heat shield. It's a little on the worn out side. We're gonna go ahead and start the vehicle and let it get up to temp, make sure we don't have any leaks. I got a yaw sensor I got to look into for that guy, and one of the airbag sensors is acting up, so I got to look into that. But looks like we're good. The AC is working again. Let's go check and see if we have any leaks up front. No leaks. Good. Looks good. We'll keep an eye on this thing. If it continues to act up, then we'll go to the next step. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Smash that like button for me. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think about the coolant temperature sending unit swap. Yeah, mouthful. The temp switch. Let me know what you think about that swap. Hard, easy. I thought it was pretty easy. Required one tool. That was it. So, appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.